Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And today we'll be picking one card for the message from your person. I will leave it here. And one card for your lucky inspiration for today, Pisces. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I'll be sharing my friend's link in the description, and she is a very good intuitive reader and you can contact her. She is doing reading in fever, guys. So Pisces, let's start with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Two of Wands in reverse, Ten of Swords and Seven of Swords in reverse. So today in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you have someone really close to you. It may be your good friend or a family member or a sibling. So this person is telling you something important. They are giving you some valuable advice today. So you need to listen to this person if you feel that you can trust them and they are someone reliable, someone really concerned about your welfare. You need to listen to this person, Pisces, because they are here to help you and guide you in certain things. And maybe for some of you today, there is some kind of surprise or there is some circumstance waiting to unfold that is causing a lot of surprise or a fear or fears in your life. So something is happening, something suddenly coming up today. It may be your energy in this relationship. So you have some sudden changes, some drastic changes today, something not right, something you never expected. Maybe for some of you it may be a surprise visit from someone close to you. It may be a surprise news from someone unexpected. And for some of you, it may be causing a lot of anxiety and fear, a news about someone. So for most of you, I see that you may be worried about something. Maybe you may hear someone close to you coming to tell you that the person you love is speaking about you in a very bad way. It may be a third hand information or you may get this news just like a rumor, but it is causing a lot of stress, a lot of pain for you because you trusted this person and you wanted them to know certain things about yourself. And out of this trust, you have spoken some secrets. But this person is just revealing those secrets without thinking of you, without thinking how much it will hurt you. And that may be the reason you are sad or stressed or crying. It may be your energy or their energy towards you. Maybe they are hurt by the words you have spoken or you are speaking. So the rumors or gossips about you is what is worrying you, and maybe this person uh, is not to be trusted, but you never knew that in the beginning. That may be the reason for this situation, for this drastic situation. So you have someone close to you giving you valuable advice not to trust this person you love. But if you are in a situation where you can still make changes, you need to wait for some more time, Pisces. Wait for a better understanding. Maybe you are with this person right now, you don't know much about them. You need to wait for some more time before you get that perfect understanding. If you want to talk to them about something important in your life today, Pisces, you should not reveal anything right away. So that is what I see with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Judgment in reverse. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you. So maybe today in this connection, you are making an important choice, making an important decision, whether to be with them or not. Maybe with these cards I can say that they are not someone to be trusted, because they have revealed something about you, revealed some important secrets or important things about you. So you must be really careful with this person, Pisces. So for your career situation, we have picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Two of Pentacles in reverse. So in your work circumstances, you are getting some important news or a message in your work, something making you happy for most of you. But for some of you, it may be about some delays or suspensions in your work. So that is what I see with these cards. So let's see what is the lucky message for you all today. I just got caught up in the moment. Maybe they are quite, focused on something. Maybe they have a lot of things to do, lot of things on their mind. Maybe it may be work related pressure, or maybe they spilled the truth because they had in the flow, maybe in the flow of the conversation, they did not do it intentionally, but it was a mistake. So maybe they are regretting for having spoken the way they did, Pisces. So let's see what is the fortune cookie for you all today. Change. A change of residence, partner, career or job is on the cards. You are restless and in need of a change, and that is exactly what is coming your way. So you can expect a good change coming to you today, Pisces. So that is the reading with these cards, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, Pisces.